I'm George Cantref, and I welcome you to Solve Mode. Quickly, let's move to the board and solve this particular past question on the topic change of subject involving fractions. Yes, this is a basic education certificate examination question that is for the year 2022 or 2022, and that was question 34. Yes, what's the question? Solve into bracket x minus 1 bracket close is equal to 1 over 2 into bracket x plus 2 bracket close. Good. Now, what do we do here? We are told to solve it, and we have a variable in there, which is x. So basically, what the question is saying is that we should make x the subject. Okay, good. Let's have our solution. Solution nicely written over there. As I always say, you need a neat and presentable work when it comes to mathematics. Good. Let's divide our board. Neatly done. Good. Now let's write the relation again. What do we have? X minus 1 is equal to 1 over 2 bracket x plus 2 bracket close. Yes. What's the next step? You have to multiply each term of the relation with the LCM of the denominator. And what's the denominator here? Only 2. So meaning our LCM, or that's the least common multiple, is 2. So let's multiply it with each term of the relation. So we have 2 into bracket x minus 1 is equal to 2 times 1 over 2 into bracket x plus 2. I hope you are getting it. Good. Have you noticed something there here? I use bracket here, but here I use the multiplication symbol. Why? Because there's bracket here already, and I wouldn't want to confuse you. That is why I use the multiplication symbol. So it doesn't change anything, just for you to understand it. That is all. Good. So now let's continue. 2 will cancel this 2, right? Good. So we'll be left with what? 2 into bracket x minus 1 bracket close is equal to what? 1 into bracket x plus 2. Yes, I intentionally brought the 1 for you to understand it. Okay, good. So let's expand. 2 times x will give us 2x. 2 times negative 1 will give us negative 2. Is equal to now 1 times x will give us x. 1 times 2 will give us what? 2. That is all. I hope you understand it now. Good. Math is systematic. Good. Now remember, we are making x the subject, so anything closer to x should be getting rid of. Okay. So step by step. Here, what do we have closer to 2x? We have negative 2. So in order to clear this negative 2 from here, so that we can group like terms, let's add 2 to both sides of the equation step by step. So let's do that. So 2x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to your x here plus your 2 plus 2, because you're adding 2 to both sides of the equation. Let's continue solving it. We have 2x over here. Negative 2 plus 2 will give us 0. So it's been eliminated. It's equal to now x plus 2 will give us what? 4 over there. Good. Remember, I said we are trying to group like terms so that x will be on one side. Okay? Fantastic. Look here. What do we have here? We have 2x is equal to x plus 4. Good. We want to group like terms. Okay? So in this context, we have x here. So in order to group it, for it to come closer to the 2x, now you have to subtract x for both sides of the equation. Okay? Good. So let's do that for you to appreciate it. Okay? So now you have to do that. We are subtracting x from both sides. So 2x minus x will be equal to this x minus x, then your plus 4. That is all. Okay, now 2x minus x will give us what? X will be equal to, now x minus x will give us 0, so it's been eliminated. And you have 4 over there. I hope you can see that. Easy, 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 easy as A, B, C, D. So the value of x is equal to 4. We've been able to solve this particular equation. We've made x the subject, right? Math is systematic, okay? So in doing that, don't rush. This brings us to the end of today's lesson on Solve Math. Yes, it was a past question, and I believe you've enjoyed it. To meet again for our next lesson, I will advise you to visit my various social media platforms. On TikTok, I'm GEOCAN_GEOCAN. On YouTube, I'm GEOCAN TV or GEOCAN Educational Channel. You can search for me. You'll find more videos on this. On Facebook, I'm GEOCAN TV or GEOCAN or Solve Math or Kids Zone or GEOCAN Ambassadors. All these are platforms that you can find more of my videos on. So we meet again for our next lesson. It's adios.